How to open Capitec bank account online. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the process of how you can create yourself a Capitec account. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the process. Open up any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in Capitec Bank Sign Up. Then you will see Open a Capitec account on the app at the first search result. Tap open that link. Just like shown, it will ask you to get the app. Just tap on get the app, or you can just download the app in your device like I did and open it once you have installed it. At this section, tap on open an account. In case you already have an account, tap on sign in. Just let them know that if it's for business or for myself, and tap on get started. But for today's video, I'm going to show you how to open an account. So tap on open an account, choose if it's for your business or for yourself. Then tap on get started. Now these are the steps that you should complete before opening a personal account. First of all, you need to verify your identity. That means taking a selfie. The second is completing basic details like your employment and your other financial information. The third is taking a selfie to sign the agreement. Fourth one is creating yourself a 5-digit app PIN. And just like so, you will be good to go and you can start your transactions. So tap on continue. Before you start, you need to be 16 years or older and have a valid SA ID to open an account. If you have it, tap on Start. Here tap on SI number and enter your number. Once you do so, at the box below, enter your cell phone number and they will send you an SMS to verify your number. Once done, tap on to continue. And just like so, follow the on-screen prompt to get started. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.